The Epicon 7135 is the ideal entry into professional 5-axis machining of panel material and solid wood. Generous machining dimensions and the flexible equipment options of the Epicon 7135 leave nothing to be desired. With a machining depth of 1,500 mm, you have machining lengths from 3,680 to 7,280 mm to choose from. Workpieces up to a depth of 2,010 mm can be traversed by the machine hood. The enormous machining height of 300 mm from the top edge of the vacuum cups is unique in its class and, thanks to the large Z stroke of 565 mm, also enables large workpieces with long tools to be traversed. The ideally coordinated design of the massive machine column and the rigid boom using the finite element method are the basis for perfect milling results. At the same time, extreme acceleration and milling speeds are achieved by means of high-precision servo-direct drives and wear-free couplings. Only HOLZ-HER offers a 10-year warranty on the covered precision linear guides. The liquid-cooled 13 kilowatt power spindle ensures short machining cycles and a perfect milling pattern thanks to high stability and a balanced power curve. With the 18 kilowatt Pro Torque spindle, even extreme solid wood machining with high chip removal rates and working in multi-shift operation are possible. Depending on the user profile, you can choose from 3 practice-oriented drilling units, whereby all variants score with full torque over the complete speed range. The standard drilling head already has 10 vertical and 4 vertical spindle outputs and a saw for back wall grooves. Optionally, 2 additional horizontal outputs are available. For line drilling in furniture and structural engineering, the larger XL drill head offers 15 vertical and 6 horizontal spindles and can also be supplemented with a second grooving saw and additional horizontal drills. The XXL drill head ensures maximum performance with 25 vertical and 6 horizontal spindles. You can also order a second grooving saw with additional horizontal drills for this unit. The travelling 18-position plate changer and optimised changeover times make the CNC extremely flexible, even in its basic configuration. Additional tool positions for saw blade diameters up to 350 mm, as well as various pickup changers, also for heavy special units, adapt the machining centre ideally to your product range. The Campus package also allows the machine table to be easily occupied with several workpieces via the touchscreen or by drag and drop. The software calculates the optimum position of the vacuum cups, which can then be placed precisely in minutes using the laser pointer or the optional 2D sealing laser. Especially complex suction cup and workpiece assignments are quickly set up with the help of the sealing laser. Regardless of whether you are working with panel materials or solid wood, practical vacuum suction cups and variable frame clamps adapt the console table perfectly to a wide variety of machining operations. The unique Vise LED table of the Epicon series is ideal for quickly setting up variable console assignments. In addition to the type and position of the console and suction cup assignment, the angle of rotation is also displayed via coloured LED bands for rotatable suction cups. The fully automatic synchro drive table is even faster and more convenient. Suitable suction cup assignments and different processing scenes can be loaded in seconds and approached in a servo-controlled manner. In terms of safety and space requirements, the Epicon series gives you the freedom to choose between robust multi-panel tread mats or the innovative and non-contact Safe Detect technology. Both systems are suitable for highly productive pendulum machining. The Campus Plus machine software offers simple programming of even complex workpieces thanks to a wealth of included macros and auxiliary functions. Regardless of whether you are manufacturing components for furniture production or structural elements such as doors, with just a few clicks you can generate fully parametric machining programs thanks to Campus NC hops. Great importance was attached to user-friendliness and clarity of the programming levels. The Plus stands for the 3D material removal simulation BetaSim included in the package. This allows you to check all drilling and milling operations in the programming even before you start machining. The 3D machine simulation can also be used to simulate the complete CNC, including consoles and clamping devices as an upgrade. A professional DXF import allows workpieces to be placed directly from the CAD program onto the machine's work center. To do this, the appropriate layers only have to be added to the parts during the drawing process. Even complex 5-axis machining can be easily implemented with the HOLZHER 3D Master software and by linking other three-dimensional CAD/CAM programs. Of course, HOLZHER also ensures an excellent energy balance in your operation by using energy-saving drive and control technologies. The Epicon 7135 – flexibility, functionality and sophisticated technology.